Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to remove static and unwanted noises from your recordings in BandLab, making your tracks sound clean and professional. First of all, check your mic and cables. Then open the BandLab application. Open your project, then tap your vocal track, then hit the effects. This is my project, as you can see. Now this is the track, click on that and you will see the effects button, click on effects. After clicking on the effects button, choose the noise reduction. Here you will see the many effects, or you can search it from here. Then choose the noise reduction, then adjust the threshold slider to reduce static without affecting your voice. Then step 3 is to use the EQ. Add EQ to your track to cut unwanted high or low frequency where static usually lives. This can clean up the sound significantly. Now step 4 is to avoid the interference. Keep your recording environment free from electronics or devices that can cause interference. Also enable low latency mode in BandLab if available to reduce the digital noise. After you have done that, your track should be now free of static and sound much cleaner. Like, share and subscribe and hit bell for more BandLab tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.